Hi friends, let me show you this set of two handheld practical flashlights. Let me tell you everything you get. You get charging cables, okay? It charges with a USB-C port. You get two accessories to use them with regular AAA batteries, three AAA batteries in this cartridge, if you need to, if you can't charge the rechargeable battery. And you get two flashlights, okay? They are super bright, okay? And they have different use modes, okay? When you turn them on, you can see the charging of the battery with these four blue lights, okay? So this is fully charged. Then you have the regular mode, a softer mode, a flashing mode, and a slower flashing mode. It depends on what you want to do. Also, it has a COB light mode. So you double click the on-off switch and you get the light here. It's also strong, softer, red flashing. These lamps also have a strong magnet here if you want to work with them like this. If you want to be working here and having a light, so you can put them in any metal surface and they will stick there with the magnet they have in the back. When you are ready to charge them, you open this plastic part and you have the USB-C port to charge the rechargeable battery. And also, if you need an emergency charging extra battery, it can work as that. It has the regular USB-A port. You plug your accessory and you get your phone, your tablet, or whatever you need charging. So these flashlights are really, really useful if you go camping, if you work outdoors, if you work during the night. You can have a great lighting device and also an emergency charging device. Perfect. Now, let me show you. We have our lantern here, and let me show you the different ways you can use it. You turn it on, and it has this way of having a different size of light over there, okay? With all the different modes. A softer one, a flashlight one, and this kind of SOS one. You can see how in the night this side one works, the red one, like the emergency one. Okay, so you can work and the light will be up there and you don't have to worry about it. You can change it to another place and it has a strong, strong magnet to stay there. So I think it's a great option if you should have one or two of these lanterns in your car, in your house, in your office. Perfect.